Now, another big development, Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary struck controversy on the first day of winter session of Parliament when she arrived with her pet dog in her car. Now, this surely became the focus of attention and soon drew sharp criticism as well from MPs. And when she approached for comment, Renuka Chaudhary dismissed all the concerns, saying, "What will a small harmless dog do to anyone?" What actually sparked the bigger controversy was the fact that when she said that those who actually can bite are inside the parliament. So clearly a very big statement coming in from Renuka Chaudhary, where she has hinted that those who are inside the parliament are the people who actually bite. And this as she arrived at the parliament with her dog.
जानवर को पसंद नहीं करते है ना सरकार। गूंगा जानवर गाड़ी में चले गए तो इनको क्या तकलीफ है? काटने वाला कुत्ता दिखा क्या? इतनी सी तो है, काटने वाले और है पार्लियामेंट में, कुत्ते नहीं।
सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न
कौन सी सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न है?
उसका भी पास बनता है क्या?
अच्छा बना दो, बाकी तो हम क्या बोले।
All right, my colleague Sabyasachi continues to stay with me on this as well. Sabhay, it's a statement that's coming in from Renuka Chaudhary where she says those who actually bite are inside the parliament. And she said this while she brought her dog at the parliament. So help me understand what exactly the statement was all about, and also how is the BJP now reacting to this?
Well, the BJP is quite strongly reacting to the entire incident. In fact, the BJP's member of parliament, Mr. Jagdambika Pal, he in fact have demanded that there should be strong action against Congress member of parliament Renuka Chaudhary. And the BJP says that nobody can, somebody has to take accountability for what has happened. Now, it was completely unprecedented of Renuka Chaudhary to make this remark. In fact, when she was coming to the parliament, and there was a pet dog which was present inside her vehicle. Though at that particular time, when the media people who were present at the outside premises of the parliament, they in fact asked her. At that particular time, she said that people should not worry about her pet dog. In fact, people should worry about the people who are inside the parliament, because they are to bite. So such a statement is completely unprecedented, which has been made by Renuka Chaudhary. In fact, this has also sparked a strong political storm. Now the BJP in fact coming out and demanding that strict action needs to be taken, and somebody has to be accountable, and answers should be demanded from Renuka Chaudhary. And in fact, the BJP also is stating that there are certain norms as far as parliament is concerned, and nobody can take it lightly.
Right. Now, Sabhay, with this, Renuka Chaudhary has clearly given BJP a talking point and to also a point to corner the Congress. So, has Congress also come out with a statement, maybe trying to distance themselves from this statement?
Well, so far the Congress party, the High Command of the Congress party is yet to react to it. We are yet to see any comment from Mr. Jairam Ramesh or any top leaders from the Congress party. But this definitely will go for a longer time, because the BJP has not taken it lightly because of the remarks that had been made by Renuka Chaudhary, stating that people who are inside the parliament, people should be worried about them because they are the one who bite. So this particular remark would not go lightly, because there are certain parliamentary rules and norms which needs to be followed by the member of parliament, and that is the reason why the BJP member of parliament, Mr. Jagdambika Pal, has demanded that strong action needs to be taken against Renuka Chaudhary, and very soon they are going to register a formal complaint against her as well. So the Congress party on one hand is yet to formally give their response on this entire matter, whereas the BJP clearly have already demanded that strict action needs to be taken against her.